We had a huge repair on a machine. It was very expensive. They were able to break it up over 12 months, made it affordable, didn't put us out of business. I actually probably don't know what I would have done to get through. Something I always did. I'm just a big kid. Digging in the dirt is what we do. We're a small site utility contractor. I have 10 machines at the moment. My son enjoys doing it. He's come to work for me, and it's kind of a small family thing.
We run about from 100 to 150 employees. The smart commercial account we like because the interest rate and its flexible payments does us well.
Our customers are all shapes and sizes, from big companies down to the independent landscapers. We just had a customer that did front and rear axles. It was a pretty substantial repair. So instead of having to pay for that right directly out of pocket, we were able to get his machine up and running. He was able to get it back and then continue generating revenue for his business.
That's what we need it for, is to take care of our Volvo equipment. It just makes it faster and easier to get it done, get it out of the shop. I use it at the parts counter all the time. All of our parts goes on it. And even the parts counter guys know that that goes on the smart account.
Sometimes things break, we actually fix them on our own, but we still have to buy parts, and sometimes parts are very expensive. If we have a large ticket item, it's nice knowing that I just don't have to worry.
When my customers go out of state, they can walk into any Volvo dealership and they have an account there. And they also have a streamlined billing that comes into one place.
We use it in Florida and Michigan. It makes it easier for us, so we don't have to do the POs as much. It works very well for us.
I don't lose sleep anymore over having to send a machine in to get fixed or have a repair done or even parts. Like I say, if you don't ask, the answer is always no. I'll be honest, I've worked with a lot of financial institutions, and Volvo has been great. I wouldn't hesitate at all.